Alright, next upgrade we about to work on. Got some more stuff in. Oh yeah. WhyGoStock.com. WhyGoStock.com got the 2-inch wheel spacers. Gonna be putting them on that back wheel. So that's what we about to do next. About to widen out this back. Oh yeah. About to get it done. So we got I did one side already so I can show you how it looks. That's how it looks from the inside. That is the old way, the factory way. And then you got the WhyGoStock.com spacer 2-inch on there. And I'm looking at it and it looks like the back wheel is still a little inset from the front, but we're gonna go with it because the next step up was $150. These were $100, so $50 more for 0.5 inches. Nah, pass on that. So we're gonna do the other side, keep this thing rolling. Alright, so since I went ahead and had the back wheel off, I figured I'd go ahead and do the next upgrade before I put that wheel back on, and that is this. We got a 428 12 tooth. And we're going to replace that 428 13 tooth. Put a little smaller one in there and get a little bit more torque out of this thing. I'm going to try that out before I redo the back sprocket, because I might not have to redo the back sprocket because I want the speed. I just need a little more torque, so we're going to add that on right now. Oh yeah. So we got the stock one right here. That's the 13 tooth. We got the 12 tooth on there. Bam. Just gotta tighten up the chain and that thing is good to go. I got that off eBay because it's a little cheaper on eBay than it is on WhyGoStock. But it works. I was wondering if it'll work, and it did. So there you go. Mod's done. Mod's done. Mod's done. Got the wheel spacers in. Chain back on. 12 tooth is in there. Next mod I'm about to do is this right here. I'm gonna see if I can mount this thing right there. That would be super dope. Add a lot of light to the front of this thing. So that's my next big project, because I also got some purple underglow lights coming in. I'm gonna light this thing up for my daughter. So a couple more pieces to come in, but yeah, we working. Mods is happening.